AI is growing faster than ever, and if you've been wanting to learn AI, whether it's to boost your career, qualify for work from home jobs, or just stay ahead, this is one of the best times to start. Platforms like Coursera make AI education super accessible, with beginner-friendly AI courses and even options to study through a free AI course with certificate. My name is Ripon, and if you've been searching for Learn AI for beginners or wondering which AI course will actually help you grow your skills, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the top 3 Coursera AI courses that can help you build real, practical skills, even if you're starting from zero. You'll find all the course links in the description below. Let's get started. First up is Prompt Engineering for ChatGPT. And this course is an absolute game changer if you want to truly understand how to work with AI. Large language models like ChatGPT can do so much more than answer simple questions. When you know how to talk to them the right way, they can tutor you, create meal plans, write software, improve your cybersecurity, brainstorm ideas, or even automate parts of your job. And that's just the beginning. This course teaches you how to become an expert user of generative AI by showing you exactly how to write prompts that deliver powerful, reliable results every time. It's taught by Dr. Jules White, an expert in generative AI who explains everything in a simple, easy to understand way, perfect for beginners. And here's the best part. This course is truly beginner friendly. You don't need any technical background at all. If you can use a browser and access ChatGPT, you're ready to get started. It's also extremely flexible. You can finish it in about 2 weeks if you study around 10 hours per week, or you can learn entirely at your own pace, whatever fits your lifestyle. You'll learn how to apply prompt engineering to get the best results from large language models, use prompt patterns to unlock deeper reasoning and creativity, build complex prompt-based applications for your work, business, studies, or personal projects. Understand how AI interprets instructions and how to guide it clearly and effectively. You'll also develop valuable skills in creative thinking, prompt engineering, prompt patterns, LLM application, productivity workflows, problem solving, and generative AI fundamentals. Across 6 modules, you start with simple prompts and gradually level up to more advanced techniques. You'll learn how to interact with large language models effectively, write prompts for writing, summarization, planning, simulation, gameplay, and programming. Use patterns that dramatically improve AI output. Understand how these models reason so you can get more accurate results. Apply AI tools to your job, business, education, and everyday life. By the end of the course, you'll have strong prompt engineering skills and be able to use AI for a wide range of creative and technical tasks. And if you want an even deeper dive into prompt engineering, I also made a full video called Mastering AI Prompt Engineering from Scratch to Pro. It walks you through real examples, advanced prompt patterns, and hands-on techniques you can start using right away. I'll link it in the description and in the pinned comment, so you can check it out after this video. Before we jump into the next course, if you love learning about AI, productivity tools, and new skills, make sure to like this video and subscribe. It really supports the channel. I'm curious, have you used ChatGPT for work, studying, personal projects, or are you completely new to AI? Drop a comment and let me know how you're using it. Next up is AI for Everyone, created by Andrew, one of the most influential teachers in the AI world. This course is designed for absolutely anyone, not just engineers. If you've ever wanted to understand what AI actually is, how it works, and how companies use it, this course breaks it all down in the simplest way possible. And the great thing is, it's truly beginner-friendly. You don't need any technical background or coding skills. Whether you're a student, a manager, a business owner, or just curious about AI, this course meets you right where you are. It's also a short, flexible program. You can finish it in about 6 hours or go completely at your own pace if you prefer to take your time. Throughout the course, you'll learn the meaning behind common AI, terms like neural networks, machine learning, deep learning, and data science. What AI can realistically do and what it can't do. How to identify real opportunities to use AI in your organization or your own work. What it feels like to build machine learning and data science projects. How to collaborate effectively with AI teams. how to think about AI strategy inside a company, and how to navigate ethical and societal topics around AI. Even though this course is non-technical, engineers and developers can still benefit from it because it teaches the business side of AI, which is incredibly valuable. After completing the course, you'll build foundational skills in strategic thinking, AI product strategy, responsible AI data ethics, and more. These skills are useful for anyone who wants to understand how AI fits into modern organizations and how it can be used to solve real problems. The course is divided into 4 clear, easy-to-follow modules. You'll go from understanding basic AI terminology all the way to thinking strategically about how AI can transform workflows, teams, and entire businesses. By the end, you'll feel confident talking about AI, spotting opportunities to use it, and understanding how AI projects come together, even if you never write a line of code. If you're still watching, drop a quick "I'm still here" in the comments. I love seeing who's following along. And finally, we have the Google AI Essentials Specialization, a program designed to help you boost your productivity using practical AI tools. If you're completely new to AI, this specialization is one of the easiest and fastest ways to get started. It's created by Google experts who focus on making AI useful for everyday work, not just for technical people. This specialization is perfect for beginners. You don't need any prior experience, and you can finish it in about 4 hours or learn entirely at your own pace. In the Google AI Essentials Specialization, you'll learn how to use generative AI tools to develop ideas, create content, and make more informed decisions. Speed up everyday work tasks like writing emails, researching topics, and summarizing information. Write clear, specific prompts so you get the exact output you want. Use AI responsibly by recognizing potential biases. Stay up to date in the rapidly evolving world of AI. These skills are incredibly practical, especially if you're exploring work-from-home jobs, freelance opportunities, or modern digital roles where productivity really matters. By the end, you'll build a strong set of skills, including operational efficiency, business process automation, analytical decision-making, data security awareness, prompt engineering, and more. These are exactly the kinds of skills companies value in today's workplace. The specialization is divided into 5 short, focused modules. And in under 10 hours, the instructors don't just explain AI, they show you how to use it in real-world situations. Stuck at the beginning of a project? You'll use AI tools to brainstorm ideas. Planning an event? I will help you research, organize details, and make smarter decisions. Drowning in emails? I will help you draft responses and speed up repetitive tasks. You'll also learn how to write effective prompts and how to use AI responsibly in workplace settings. After completing the Google AI Essentials specialization, you'll earn a certificate from Google, which is a great addition to your resume or LinkedIn, especially if you're applying for digital, creative, or work-from-home jobs. I've added all the course links in the description. Some of them even have free learning options, so definitely check those out. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos on AI tools, skills, and career growth. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.